I'm Dennis Riley. I'm the owner of Zen Windows St Louis. Zen Windows of St Louis is proud to have Softlight as a manufacturing partner. Here's a short video demonstrating Softlight's commitment to quality.
Today I want to walk through the Barrington window series. The Barrington window is our sensitively priced window, but it does not sacrifice price for performance and quality, and it comes with many of the same features and warranty benefits as our other products. The Barrington window features a full family of products, everything from double hungs, double and triple sliding windows, casements, awnings, picture windows, even bows and bays. The Barrington product family has everything you'll ever want and need for your home. The Barrington features two colors, a soft white and beige. The window is 100% virgin vinyl and features our 12-point fusion welded technology, so both the frames and sashes are welded to give you a perfectly square window every single time. As you look at the edges of the interior of the window, you'll notice the amount of visible glass you get with the window. We all want more light in our homes while keeping the heat out in the summer and the cold outside during the winter. The window design and glass definitely accomplish this. Another one of the many things that makes the Barrington window unique is the sill dam. On many windows, the sill dams open at the bottom, but with our manufacturing technology, we're able to telescope that sill dam right into the frame of the window, so it will never separate, and it will also keep bugs, pollen, dirt, air, and water outside the window. The window also comes with our compound mitered slope sill, so when rain hits the window, the water naturally drains away from the house. As you look at the window, you'll notice the lift rail is extruded right into the window, so it makes it easy to operate the window. In addition, the Barrington features the upgraded constant force balance system, which makes the window sashes easy to both raise and to lower. When we go to unlock the window, you'll see the zinc die-cast locks that the Barrington has. Double locks are standard on windows over 24 inches in width, and the window passes the AMA structural forced entry test. In addition, the window comes standard with a 0.07 air infiltration rate, which is 400% better than the industry acceptable standard. To tilt the window in, you simply unlock the window, raise it above the sill dam, push the tilt latches in towards the lock, and the window tilts in. And we can do the same thing with the top sash. As we look at the inside of the window, you'll notice lots of weather stripping and bulb seals. This helps give the window a tight fit and keeps air and water outside where it belongs. The Barrington window also features a full interlock, so when the window's locked, the interlock draws the window together, giving it a tight fit that also keeps Mother Nature out and also gives the window added security. When we turn the window around, you see this beautiful beveled exterior, so when the window's installed, it looks like it belongs in your home. As we move into the glass system, the Barrington comes standard with stainless steel intercept. There are several different types of spacers available, including aluminum spacers, tin-plated spacers, and other non-metallic spacer systems. But by Zen making the stainless steel intercept as the standard, the outside edges of the glass are going to be 8 times warmer, and that means less chance of condensation on those cold winter mornings. There are a number of glass packages available with the Barrington series. Because we have different high-performance glass designed specifically for your region, ask your local Zen representative what the best glass package is for your area. The Barrington window comes standard with an extruded half screen with fiberglass mesh. This screen slides up and down and is easily removable. The window comes standard with a double lifetime limited warranty, which includes a lifetime warranty on the vinyl, all the parts and pieces of the window, and seal failure. Our warranty also includes our lifetime labor warranty, and when the time comes to sell the house, both the product and labor warranty are fully transferable, so the new homeowner gets the same great warranty you enjoyed. Finally, the Barrington has a multitude of options that can be customized and will give you the exact look, feel, and appearance you're wanting for your home.
Visit us at zenwindowsstl.com, and as always, whether it's your first quote, your second quote, or your only quote, choose Zen Windows of St. Louis and our impeccable reputation to serve you.